Good morning, parents. Good morning, people. How are you all doing? Hope you're keeping safe. I have missed you guys so very much. Okay, today it is time for mathematics. I hope you're prepared, you're concentrating, you have your pen and your papers. All right, let's begin. Now, what are we learning today? It is multiplication as repeated addition. So it's like saying multiplication or repeated addition because they are like the same thing. You have a number, you count that number again, depend on how many times you have been asked to count. Now let me show you what I am talking about. So you are given a question and it says add 7 groups. Add 7 groups. Okay, now it says add 7 groups of 10 boys. Add 7 groups of 10 boys. 7 groups of 10 boys. Now, how many boys have we been asked to count? 10 boys. 10 boys. And how many times? 7 times. So the 7 group is how many times you're going to count the 10 boys. And I have gone ahead and I have counted the 10 boys 7 times. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is my 10 boys here, 10 boys here, and I have counted them 7 times. That's all. Moving on to question number 2, it says add 4 groups of 3 beads. Add 4 groups of group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. You have counted it now 4 times, which is same thing as saying 3 times 4. Which is the same thing as saying 3 times 4. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 4 times is also 3 times 4. Now let me ask you, add 2 groups of 3 boys. Add 2 groups of 3 boys. How many boys are you counting? Good, 3 boys. You are listening. Good job. Now, how many times are you going to count 3 boys? Anybody? 2 times. High five. Good job. Now you're going to count 3 boys 2 times. That is same thing as 2 groups of 3 boys. You have 3 boys, you count them 2 times. Now how are you going to count it? 3 plus 3. Let's move on. This one says add 5 groups of 4 beads. Add 5 groups of 4 beads. 5 group of 4 beads. 5 group of 4 beads. Now 4 beads. How many times are you going to count 4 beads? 5 times. You're going to count 4 beads 5 times. And how are you going to count that 4 beads? You're going to count it like this. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 4 times 5, which is 4 times 5, because 4 appeared 5 times, because 4 appeared 5 times. Now, in a situation where they have already written out the repeated addition for us and they have asked us to just, how many times is it appearing? What are we going to do? This is what I am talking about. Now this is a repeated addition because you have one number appearing many times. So you have this number, number 3. This is the number 3. And how many times can you see number 3? Count, please. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 3 appears 5 times. You can see number 3 showing 5 times. So all you have to do is come down and write 3 times 5. Because you have the 3 showing 5 times. 3 times 5. Not 5 times 3. Not 5 times 3, but 3 times 5, because you have 3, the number 3 showing first, and it appears 5 times. Moving on, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What number can you see appearing so many times? That is the number 2. The number 2 is the number that you can see. And how many times can you see the number 2? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 2 appears 5 times. So you write 2 times 5 because number 2 is appearing 5 times. So your answer would be 2 times 5.